Hey guys, what's up and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Dani, and as you guys can tell from the title, today's video is super exciting because I'm going to be taking you along with me as I pack and prep for my trip to California. You guys have no idea how excited I am to finally be going to California again. I actually have family that lives out there, so every time I've gone to California, it's been to visit them, but this trip is actually for a different reason. This year, my mom is turning a very big age that I'm sure she would not appreciate me saying on the internet, but all you have to know is that she does not look this age whatsoever. But in order to celebrate this birthday, we obviously had to do a very, very big trip, which is why we are going to California for about a week. But full disclosure, we were actually not supposed to be going to California the entire time. This is a very new change to our trip because originally we were supposed to be going to Costa Rica, and I actually teased that quite a bit on my channel, but last minute we decided to change it up because in Costa Rica it is pouring rain every single day, and that's kind of what you sign up for when you want to go to Costa Rica during the wet season. But we wanted to change it up for something where we were guaranteed a little bit better weather, and California is the perfect place to get this weather. So I'm really excited, my family's really excited. Unfortunately, my brother will not be on this trip with us because we just dropped him off at college, but regardless, we're gonna miss him, but it's gonna be an amazing time. So before I can even think about going to California, I need to pack all of my stuff. And obviously that's why you're here. So I just laid out all of my stuff on my bed, and I have a lot of work to do. Okay, so one thing that I really like doing before I even begin to pack my suitcase for trips is I organize out all of my stuff into categories. So obviously over here I have all of my bathing suits that I plan on bringing. Back here I have pants, so I have one pair of sweatpants, 3 pairs of jeans, I believe, and 1 pair of jean shorts and 1 denim skirt. Over here I have all of my more casual tops. Most of these are from either Brandy Melville or Urban Outfitters. That's where I buy all of my shirts like this, but you guys will see more in the upcoming vlogs. And then over here I have all of my dresses. So actually this isn't a dress. This is like a fun pair of pants that I'll probably end up wearing. But over here I laid out all of my dresses. This is the first trip where I'm actually packing a lot of color. I'm super proud of myself. I mean, over here I have red, blue, hot pink right here. I mean, who do I think I am? But it's kind of refreshing because it's gonna make all my outfits a little bit more special, and I'm just really excited. You're gonna have to excuse the mess in the background. I kind of have 3 different things going on right now. I just got back from Syracuse, dropping off my brother at college, obviously, hence the sweatshirt. I'm packing for this trip, and I'm also simultaneously starting to pack for college. So there's a lot going on, but all good things, so I can't complain. And if I can figure out how to open this suitcase, then we can get to packing.
Oh no, I gave my heart away, went a bit too far.
Do I really need all of these dresses? Probably not, but am I gonna take all of them? Absolutely. Oh my God. All right, so I just finished packing up my jeans, dresses, and more casual tops. This is what we're looking like right now. Over here are the jeans and jean shorts. Most of my dresses are on this side, and then moving over here, I have some more dresses. Obviously, I mean, when am I gonna wear all these things? I don't really know. And all of my casual tops are over here. Now I'm gonna get started on packing up my bathing suits. For the last trip that I took to Portugal, I chose to put all of my bathing suits in this pouch. I actually got this from Triangle Swimwear when I bought this bathing suit a few years ago, and it's been super useful when it comes to packing needs. I don't know if I'll be able to fit all of these bathing suits in this one pouch. I guess we'll see, but in the long run it will save me a lot of room in the suitcase, so I'm at least gonna try. Again, I know my room is an absolute disaster. Let's just try and ignore it. I swear I'm not usually half this messy. It's just my life right now. Bathing suit at Forever 21 a few years back for $5. It comes with a matching top that looks like this. It's super simple. Honestly, if they have it still or something similar, I'll link it down below because it is such good quality and hands down one of my favorite bathing suits that I own. I just cannot get over the fact that I got it for $5. Guys, I think we might have just done it. You guys saw how small this pouch was, and there are now 8 bathing suits stuffed in this thing, and it fits perfectly. This is hands down my favorite thing that a company has ever sent me in addition to one of their products. Some stores will give out stickers with a purchase, others will give out pins or something like that, but Triangle is hands down my favorite because I get really convenient little packing things like this. Okay, I kind of didn't take into account that I also need to pack shoes. I'm obviously going to pack my Air Force Ones, but I'm going to be traveling in these so I don't have to worry about fitting it in a suitcase. But I think I just want to stick with flip-flops because the first place that we're going in California, I guess I'll just tell you guys, we're going to Palm Springs. It's going to be like 110 degrees. I'm not exaggerating. It actually is going to be 110 degrees the day that we get there. So I'm thinking flip-flops and very minimal clothing, but I don't know which flip-flops to grab. Okay, so I'm thinking of taking these two pairs of Sam Edelman flip-flops. They're the same exact style, just in nude and black. These Target heels that I wear all the time, and my Air Force Ones. I feel like this makes for a nice variety, and I'll be able to wear it with pretty much any outfit. I just finished packing up my suitcase for now. I feel like I'm definitely gonna end up adding or taking away things as the day goes on, but for now, I'm going to go and get my nails done with my mom. They actually don't look that bad on camera, but in person, they are not cute, and I cannot go to California with my nails looking the way they do. So, I'll keep you guys updated on the color that I choose to get, if you care at all, and then we'll get started on doing my carry-on and the rest of my toiletries. And we're back. I literally just walked in the door from getting my nails done. I ended up getting a yellow nail polish per usual. I've been going back and forth between this yellow and the pink nail polish that I showed you guys in my most recent favorites video. So if you guys haven't seen that, make sure to go watch it because it's a fun one. But now that we're back, it is almost 9 o'clock. I still have so much to do tonight. Our car comes to pick us up tomorrow morning at 4:45. So am I sleeping tonight? I honestly am not too sure, but in order to kind of move myself in the right direction, I'm gonna start packing up my carry-on. I've already laid out some of the things that's gonna end up going in that backpack. This is honestly, in addition to all the other travel tips that I've given you guys on my channel in the past, this is one of my best travel tips. Rather than just throwing all of your stuff in your bags and hoping that you have everything, just lay it all out on your bed. You can I can't speak English today, oh my god. You can organize it by category, and it just kind of puts your mind at ease a little bit. I don't know, it works for me. So this is what we got. I am going to charge up this portable charger a little bit. I have my computer, which is fully charged. I have my wallet, which I'll need, obviously. Sunglasses, my Beats for the plane. I never use these anymore, but on the plane, these are an essential, because if not, then I really won't be able to hear anything. I have, you know, the essentials, of course. I have my SD card reader, and here is gonna go all of my makeup brushes and probably my toothbrush, which is right there. And then I always bring one of these bags from Free People. These are perfect to just bring with you to the beach or to the pool rather than having to lug around a big backpack. And they're also really, really cute. I've also been thinking about how to structure the vlogs for this trip. Obviously, I'm going to be filming the entire thing for you guys, but I wasn't sure if I want to do daily or a weekly vlog, but now I think I'm gonna split it up for locations. So I told you that I'm going to Palm Springs, so that's going to be its own separate vlog, and then we're also going to Santa Barbara. So it's going to be 2 separate ones, maybe 3, depending on our other plans, but that is TBD. But since I'm going to be posting a lot of videos, I also need to grab my external hard drive. This is very important, or else I literally cannot edit anything. It just makes my life so much easier. All right, guys, we're continuing to make even more progress. My carry-on is almost fully packed, which is really exciting, and my suitcase is almost done. There's a few things that are in the wash right now that I'm gonna end up adding to my suitcase, which is why it's not fully zipped up right now. I also just finished editing a video. There's so much going on, but one thing I did want to share is even though I am overpacking 100%, I always do, it's also still important to downgrade as much as you can and take out things that you know you're not gonna wear. So that's what I did. I took out this bathing suit, which is cute. It's like a one piece, but like realistically, am I ever gonna wear it for anything more than maybe a picture? Probably not. So I decided to take it out of my suitcase. I also took out this maxi dress, which is kind of a shame because it's really, really pretty, but it was just taking up too much room in my suitcase. So sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And I also took out this pair of heels because there's absolutely no need to have 2 pairs of wedges in one suitcase for a 6-day trip. It's just totally unnecessary. And now I'm trying to think of what else I need to do. I already charged my second battery for this camera. I have deodorant, I have lotion. What else do I need? I've also made the decision that I will be traveling in this exact same outfit tomorrow. This is my new favorite sweatshirt ever. It is actually the comfiest thing in the entire world, and I cannot imagine traveling in anything else. But I'm actually about to go take a shower and lay out these clothes for tomorrow. So I wanted to end off this video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. I know it was kind of random and weird. I don't even know if you liked it, and if you did, please let me know in a comment, and I will continue to do more of these every time I travel, I guess. And I will talk to you guys very soon in my next video.